What I'm going to do is run you through a series of brain exercises so you can feel from the inside what happens when you try to do things that the brain wasn't really designed to do well. Now, the first exercise is called the Stroop test. Now, what you do in this test is, as each word appears on the screen, I want you to yell out the proper answer. And remember, loud. But I don't want you to read what the word says. I want you to yell out the color of the letters that the word is written in. Okay? Everybody ready? Oh, I want to say one more thing. I don't want this to be complicated, so I'm just using basic colors: red, green, blue, and yellow. Here we go.
Green, red, blue, red, green, blue.
Okay, you discovered there was something difficult there, right? Every time a word came up, you wanted to read it, and you had to pull back and think something else. And that shows you how difficult it is for your brain to change modes. You have more errors this way, it takes longer, it's more stressful. Now, after that, I decided to develop my own test that was very similar. And since Professor Stroop named his test after him, I named this test the Cantor test. For every word that comes up, I would like you to tell me the color of the letters that the word is written in. Ready?
Red, blue,
Oops.
green, red,
Sorry.
green, red, blue, green, blue, red.
Now, was that one easier or harder?
Easier.
Okay. Now, why was it easier?
Because the words weren't colors.
The words weren't color words, so the conflict wasn't as stark. How many people can tell me the whole sentence that those words made? How many people can't tell me? Okay. Well, let's go through again, and this time I want you to read what the words say rather than what you did before.
I don't think you're going to remember much of this.
Okay, so what have you discovered here? Well, one thing is that your brain cannot multitask very well. While you're looking at the word and just looking at the letters, you're not absorbing the word. You can't do them both at the same time. Now, it's interesting because I distracted you by telling you to look at the color of the letters. But it's not as if I told you to look over there and you missed it completely. You were looking right at the words, but since your brain was thinking about something else, you couldn't pull that all together.